Ever since online class had started, I started to realize that there are a lot of class resource or class meeting link that I need to remember for each and every class. What I usually see people do is that they will copy this link and paste it at somewhere else like their WhatsApp, Telegram, or anywhere else that they like to. But this is not an effective way to organize your things, as when the links are getting more and more, you need to scroll up and things got really messy. That's why I'm here today. Before going further into this video, remember to turn on the subtitles as
I speak terrible English.
I've also added timestamps in the description, so make sure you check it out. I've designed a web template that puts your class link all together, or any other online resource that you use frequently all in one single web page. A preview of this web template are available in description, and you can have your own version of template for completely free if you follow along this video. Privacy first. Of course, this will not be a hosted website that anyone can access it through search engine. It is just a bunch of files on your local computer, so you can modify and put anything that you want in your own template.
Hello, little piggy.
With this template, you can attach any online resource or reference for your own convenience at the navigation bar. For me, I would like to attach my university's website and social media that I use to communicate with my classmates and lecturers like WhatsApp and Telegram. Notice that there's a semester at the very left, and with this, switching between semester can be done easily. In addition, that you can never lose your resource from previous semester. The next highlight of this template is obviously the timetable together with the sidebar. Custom-made timetable can be inserted here, and any important information such as the test that goes to the sidebar. Below the timetable is a class resource where you can attach your class meeting link as well as other resources specifically required by your lecturer. And here comes my favorite part, which is this imposter right here that reminds us to do what we love once in a while, not to get stressed out or burnt out. Setting up the template will be a little bit confusing at first, but trust me, it's more worth than having yourself mess up during lecture days. At the very bottom of the page, if you click the little icon right there, it will redirect you to my GitHub account from which you can download all the files and set up your own template. Once you're on this page, just click on Aesthetics Organizer Public in Popular Repositories and follow my steps here. At this stage, remember to extract the files to where you want it to be. This is very important to make sure that you don't lose the files, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to extract in the downloads. And this is the download process for the template. The folders which we are going to edit is the image folder and HTML folder. The image folder will be used to store your timetable only, nothing else should be added inside. The actual templates are in the HTML folder, a total of 9 files for every semester, and the first one is the preview template. Clicking on any of the files will load the template through your default browser, so to edit it, you need to right-click and open the file using Notepad. Now you should see a bunch of code, but do not worry much as you do not need to understand it. All you need to do is click Ctrl F on your keyboard to open up the Find tool and search for where you want to edit using keyword. I'm going to make a few examples and hopefully you guys are able to understand. And there you go, now you have set out your template and ready to use it. Since this is not a hosted web page, what I normally do is to bookmark my template and make sure it appears in bookmark bar right here. So the next time you want to load your template, you can just click this and tada, everything is right in front of you. Alright, I think that's it for this video. There are a lot more that I can talk about, but I just don't want you all to feel boring about it. Anyway, if any of you are interested in the technology that I use in designing this template right here, feel free to comment down below and I will consider to make a video about it. A quick introduction about me. My name is Maynard from Malaysia, and during my semester break, I taught myself about web development stuff from front end to back end. Thank you so much if you are still watching this right here, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.